What is up, everybody? It is Yuno Zayden. And today, you're seeing how to catch a predator. And we're catfishing a bunch of people. So, be ready. Okay? Had to hit that real quick.
I think we gotta reset it because my boy is over here singing his heart out. Cook, bro.
Dude, what's going on? Dude, it's niggas over here.
I do it, my boy.
I'm going fucking crazy, bro. What the fuck is that shit? Dude, I'm getting fucking. Oh my god. If I had a VR headset on, that shit, I'd fucking die. I just hear domain expansion, and then my screen just fucking goes crazy.
I don't know what y'all are doing. Wait, what was that? Chloe, what was that?
Oh my god, it's a giant dummy mommy.
Oh, shoot.
Bro, those are nice skins. And then
Oh, thank you.
what's the
Hell no.
139 2023 EO33?
Yeah, we're on our brother's account.
And what's this 0C33 in you guys' names?
Bro, what is that guy doing, dude? Back off, bro. Dude, back
The
off.
username.
Yo, you could cry.
I don't really know. I was just kind of spamming stuff.
Crib up there.
I am running away. Is that donut kitty? How's your head doing,
Hello?
man?
Can you hear me? Oh, sorry. I was muted. Chloe, where did you go?
Well, I'm gonna miss you.
Wait, how do I fly? I'm pretty sure he just said he was going to come down here. I would like to speak to you.
Oh. Make him suck. Yo, eat it.
Chloe, what's wrong?
It's nothing. It's really nothing.
Oh, okay.
Hey, what's up, shorty baby girls? How you doing? Hey.
Yeah, we're doing good. What about you?
No, let me see. I'm chilling. My homie Trogdor. We just rolled. I'm Johnson. Trogdor.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
yeah.
Monkey Man 277 and
it's-
Cash Money 139.
It's my brother's VR. It's
033. Nice to meet you.
It's my brother's VR, but he let me have it. But I don't know how to change the username.
What the hell is saying that right now?
I'm gonna take that as a no. You cannot burninate the lands.
What?
Oh, damn.
I'm asking you a simple question. Can you burninate the lands?
Bernadette, what the fuck is this name?
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, they can't burninate the lands, so I don't know if we.
Shorties just be chilling. They cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know all that tech stuff.
They don't understand.
I don't know that much about all this tech.
Look at this.
Isn't that right,
Slay my
Chloe?
wood, bro.
that?
They trying to chop it down.
Yeah.
Create fire, and I'm just trying to burninate the lands, so I don't know if it's gonna work out.
Hey, Mr. Peanut, you should put that between my legs, yo, and let's see what happens.
I'm bad.
He's got
Gang
Look at
style.
that! Cina's got a fucking unit, brother.
I swear, you be like still.
Look at it. Oh,
Yo, give
If
it.
that's still with propane, then he's gonna be burning the lands.
no.
Hey, Chloe, I think we should go.
Yeah.
Yo, bring me
Yeah, you
with
probably should
you.
go.
Bring me with you. Bring me with you.
We
Bring me with you.
don't know who you are, Mr. Skeleton Guy. Get away from me.
Oh my mom, bro. Y'all both guys. Oh my mom, bro. Y'all both guys.
I am not a guy. No, we're
Where's the
not.
both guys?
No.
Yo. My hell fucking lion?
No.
Oh,
I'm not a guy. I don't know who that guy is.
Oh my fucking god. Not worth it. Not worth it. That is stolen valor. Stolen valor.
Bro, who got a picture of me?
Oh.
Yeah, I really do not know.
Yes, bro, who got a picture? Bro,
What the hell? No, I honestly do not know who those guys are.
I'm gonna stick my dick up your ear, bro. I'm gonna stick my dick up your ear.
Okay, we're starting it. We're starting it.
Bro, you look nice.
Okay, I'm starting the search. So be ready.
Bro. Alright, back up.
Hi.
Hello.
Zayden, this is trapped, bro. I'm trapped. Dude, where are you? I'm getting sick and tired of hearing that freaking gun. If I hear that gun one more time. Stop shooting the... I can't be yelling. He's right there.
Okay, guys, stop shooting again. You're getting hit PTSD. What? You're giving him the PTSD.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Are we ready? I'm starting it.
I need that. I need that.
Somebody come get the tablet.
I need it. Right. Is everybody?
Wait, what do you need, Dion?
It's so fun. Eat it. I need that tablet. Hold on. Let me grab that tablet.
Alright, I'm starting search.
Alright, search.
Hi.
Hold on. You ready?
Yeah.
Hello. Man, bro, just said. What the fuck? What?
Oh, okay. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Bro, shut up.
Mute your fucking.
He made his
We don't talk about my cricket. Can I put my mic up, you guys?
Yo, what the heck?
Yeah.
Get out of here, Dion. Hi.
Yo, can't see y'all.
Hello.
Oh my god.
I was about to tell them.
Can I tell you?
Hello.
Dude, this
Wait,
is
actually,
I got fired at my first job today at the bank. Oh, that's. And the lady told me to check her balance. I pushed her over.
Oh, no! No! You didn't have to. Why, dude? Why? Why?
That is chaotic, and that was a good one too.
That's funny.
tragic.
Wait, can I
I feel bad for that grandma. Oh yeah, one more thing. What's a skeleton's favorite snack? I don't know what. Spare ribs. Oh my gosh. Hi.
Hello. If you would date one of us, which one it would?
Why are you in? How are people invading my house?
You are invading my house.
That sounds
This
like a
is
you
mine.
problem.
Read the room owner.
Hang on. You need to get into a different avatar because we can't just be the same one. You know?
It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me.
Yeah. Eat it. Go back to that other one. I need your car.
Okay, are we ready? Are you guys watching?
I gotta. I'm saying sissy, but it's I'm big up from.
I gotta.
I'm a big dad like me. Cause me and not trust you.
I gotta invite Ajik. I forgot all about him.
Good. You for. Bro, just look at me. Hey, Rocky. Side. Wait, when they start, mute your mic.
Okay, go. Get into a girl avatar. Mute.
No, I'm already at my girl avatar.
Not you, Eden.
Talk. Good boy.
Ajik, if we find a predator, you walk in and it was like, well. Look at this wall. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Me. Hey, when I do this,
Are you don't mind?
Yeah. Hi. Oh, you again.
Can I? Oh man, look at you guys.
Wait,
So, can I tell you another joke?
Yeah.
Did you hear about the guy that dipped his nuts in glitter? Pretty nuts.
You're really funny. Hey, wait, before you go, Chloe, come here. If you were to date either one of us, which one would it be? Just wondering.
Okay, so all I'm saying, I am already in a relationship. Just grab and shake your camera quick, cause I cannot see y'all. I already am in a relationship, but it doesn't really depend on looks. It depends on really what's inside, though.
Oh,
Seriously.
that's really sweet.
Damn.
Yo.
No, but seriously, if I actually knew you guys, then I would probably. If it doesn't matter what you look like it really doesn't matter.
Yeah, I totally agree.
It matters how kind you are.
Yeah, we're just going around asking everybody that, though.
Yeah.
But you were really funny, and it's nice talking
get out,
to you.
bro. Like, I come my honest truth.
Okay, here we go. We're starting. Are you guys looking on the iPad? You all looking on the iPad?
No, I don't even know where it is.
Oh my gosh, respawn that crap.
Oh my god! What the fuck? What with y'all two?
What the heck?
Turn my avatar, Rocky. Turn my avatar.
I'm searching. Everybody be quiet.
No. I'm gonna crash.
Hi.
Hello. Wait, can I show you something? I really like Bro. Like, it's really. Bye. Get the fuck out of my game.
Sure.
Hi.
Hello. We are in hell right now.
Oh, can I show you something?
That is a baby.
Is that SpongeBob? I love
actual child. They're gonna show us the baby. Hello.
Put it down, Sonic.
Aw, thanks. Actually, it's balding.
Y'all are selling! Dude, I was about to like, oh.
They were telling me what's their favorite character. Mine is Sonic. Can I tell you what Sonic looks like?
You, bro. You was like.
Okay, here we go. If y'all come into this room one more time, I'm kicking you.
How do you change your mic? Oh, don't worry about it. Settings.
Alright, come on, Eden. Let's go, let's go. Eden. Alright, let's go. Hi.
Hey, what's good, guys? I'm a rich guy who lives at like something.
Shake your camera, bro.
Shake the camera.
Okay,
Pull up on me, gang. Pull up on me.
Alright, now I can see. No, you don't need no more hugs, bro. You already got one over there, bro. You need no more hugs. Where did I eat?
What if you eat my dick?
You don't got one.
Okay, but
You don't
know
got
where I
one.
live? You come over and give me some sloppy toppy?
If you could date either one of us, which one would it be?
The one with a dick.
I kill myself.
Yo, shut up! I am done talking. The last thing I'm going to. Oh, yeah, hold on. Love
That
you.
immediately commits suicide.
Hey, I would honestly take the one that's floating right there. Honestly.
That's
I'll take the one with a dick.
Shut up! You said it twice. The one that's floating.
Which one?
The floating one, bro. The one on the wait. If you're standing this way, the one on your the one on the left.
Oh my
on your
God.
left, not left.
Damn.
My left.
My left's that way. Your left's that way. Yes. Daddy,
That's
oh,
not
that's
me.
not
That's
Zooey mama.
That's my friend.
My friend. That's how you say friend. My friend.
My bad.
Yeah. Are you making fun of my accent?
I think. No, I was just
My
no.
friend.
I was just saying.
Okay.
So yeah, he wants. No, I don't think they have the whatever you saying, bro. They don't got it. I think.
You don't got any guys over there? Boring. Y'all suck. I'm skipping y'all. The fuck?
No, don't skip
No
the hugs,
men?
bro. Hard.
Hard
What are you
I'm
talking
horny.
about,
Wait,
bro?
you want men?
Right here. Come to the camera right now. Come to the camera right now.
Okay.
Get over here.
Yo, what's up?
Not you, the guy.
Yeah.
There is no guy.
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, there is a guy.
I'm the guy. Yeah.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
No.
Bro, help me.
We gotta keep it real.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Just Yelton's favorite snack.
Didn't you already say that joke?
Bro, get the. Oh, it's you guys. I didn't.
I'm sorry.
didn't
My
teach
friends
guys.
are gonna keep being weird to you.